Hey friends, it's Taylor and I'm here to help you get happy about food again. Today we are making homemade chicken noodle soup, quite literally nature's medicine. Come along with me, we're gonna make this easy, simple, fun. Let's get cooking. Let's start by making our chicken stock. That's right, we're making it from scratch, and it's surprisingly simple. For our base, we'll use celery, a yellow onion, a few cloves of garlic, carrots, and a mixture of fresh herbs, rosemary, thyme, and sage. These are going to infuse your broth with that hearty flavor. I know it sounds intimidating to make your stock from scratch, but we're doing it because I want to show you that it is possible for anyone, even the most beginner chefs. And if you're here watching this video, you're likely a beginner chef. As your nutritionist, my job is to help you grow your confidence in the kitchen by showing you how to prepare simple, easy, and healthy meals from the comfort of your own home. Nothing is too complicated, I promise. So we're chopping our vegetables into big chunks, and this part is really fun because they're just for the stock, so it doesn't matter the shape or the size. To make your garlic easier to peel, place it on a cutting board, put a knife over it, and pound the palm of your hand down. Be careful though, because it's way too much fun. Fun fact, the longer you let your garlic sit after you crush it, the more antioxidants build up. Another fun fact, I was on the varsity basketball team as a freshman. Let's play that back. Yeah, I didn't say I was any good. Now let's get your herbs ready. You can pick your rosemary and slide your fingers down the thyme to remove the stems easily and quickly. Now we're going to take our whole chicken. This one was about 3 pounds, and remove the wrapper. We'll use this to flavor our chicken stock, but first, please do not forget this very important step, to remove the organs, or you might go viral on social media, and not in a good way.
Just a plastic bag of organs, MBD.
Yeah, let's make sure that doesn't happen. Now we're going to take our large soup pot that's filled with approximately 12 cups of water, turn your burner to medium-high heat, and add your whole chicken and your pre-chopped stock vegetables and herbs. Now's the time to add a bay leaf if you have one. I did not, but you can if you do. Make sure everything is happy and mingling, cover and bring to a boil. Once the chicken looks like it's farting, just kidding, don't be gross guys. Cover your pot, turn the temperature down, and let that baby simmer for about an hour. While your stock is simmering, we'll chop the vegetables for our soup. Dice an onion by cutting from the root down with the grain and then cutting across horizontally. Now, remove the base of the celery and cut in half vertically first and then across, moving your knife blade smoothly up and down to make little pieces. We're gonna cut our carrots in a similar way. Make sure you peel them first and then cut them in half and then again in half lengthwise. Then we can cut them into little pieces. Mince 3 to 4 garlic cloves by hand, or you can use a garlic press. Finally, I'm making the soup my own by adding diced bell peppers, which are an excellent source of vitamin C. This veggie chopper is one of my favorite kitchen go-tos. It's so efficient and precise, way better than I could ever get by hand. I'll link to it down below in the description. Just like that, our veggies are ready to be added to our soup. Remove the chicken from the stock after it's simmered for about an hour. Strain your chicken stock by pouring it into a strainer, over the sink, and into a bowl. This will remove the stock veggies and leave you with a nice, clean, beautiful, and flavorful broth. Now, return that broth back to your burner, turn it to medium heat, and get ready to shred. Shred that chicken. Remove the legs first and the thighs so it's easier to work with. Then, remove the skin. And, like clockwork, Stella has arrived.
Right on cue.
Shred your chicken with 2 forks. It should come apart fairly easily.
Oh, I found the wishbone.
Oh yeah, let's have some fun.
Do you pull it really hard? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I'm not competitive at all. At all.
I did so hard.
I'm gonna let it dry out.
I think if we pull it hard enough, it'll
I think
go.
so.
1, 2. No! I knew you were gonna get it.
Dang it, if he's not better than me at everything. Anyways, we can't get by shredding the chicken without giving the good girl a little bite. Look at her eyes. Look at them. She is a maniac for some chicken. After we transfer our shredded chicken to our pot, we let it simmer for a bit longer to cook the vegetables, about a half an hour. And then we assemble. I'm plating mine over some black rice, which is a nice alternative to white rice sometimes just because it's more nutrient dense and it's packed with more fiber and antioxidants. Alright, that is a good looking bowl of soup. I finished mine with a little bit of cilantro and some slivered almonds just because I love a nice crunch.
Let's give it a try. So colorful, so nutrient dense, so delicious. The perfect companion for your winter season. If you're eating this, trust me, cold and flu season doesn't stand a chance. Enjoy!